My first impressions when I got this thing and I started moseying it around and warming it up, I said, this car is a pleasure to drive. Like, it is really easy to work around. Clutch feel, the gear change, the steering is weird, and I'll explain it in a minute. But the way it just rolls down the road is fantastic. That was my initial reactions to it. I was like, wow, this thing is really comfortable. It's really easy to drive. Besides just the fact that it's a little loud in here because everything is lightweight.
Yeah.
But other than that, I was like, holy shit. This thing is sketchy, bro. Like, this thing will wrap you up so fast if you don't know how to drive. Like, it is not at all. No. Like, for instance, if you point the car to the right, like, look, you see how it's still going right? Like, dude, there's so much front end grip, and the way it, look at that, see?
Wow.
It doesn't come back straight. Like, look at that.
It just continues.
Yeah, so you have to really be like,
on it.
Yeah. The way it revs and the way it sounds and the way it moves, bro, it's incredible. And it's fast.
Wow.
Right?
Definitely.
Yeah, surprisingly very fast. Yeah, it's hard to explain the way it feels and the way it moves around. It's very like, so it feels like you're in the center of the car and the car moves around you, but then all of a sudden you're like, hey, it's a Porsche, bro. Get the, like, the car wants to flip around on you. The turn in is so fucking good. So I wanted to take you on a very twisty.
Yeah, I can tell why.
Grip levels, dude. And it's not like you really have to be in control. You have to feel the rear end, you have to feel the front end, you have to be all over this car, dude. Like, if you for a second give this thing a chance to you up, it's gonna you up.
That's it?
Yeah, it's gonna you up really fast. But I wanted to take it on some really tight, twisty stuff because that's what I think this car likes. It's a little wet, so I don't want to push it too hard. But yeah, dude. Oh. So funny getting out of the McLaren.
Oh, I know.
This thing feels like where's the car? But it's so fucking engaging, bro. Yeah. This car is so amazing.
Feels so good.
Oh my God, it's so amazing. This thing is rowdy, bro. What's better than that?
Nothing.
Nothing's better than that.
No, that was sick.
That was sick.
So sick.
Dude, the shifts are so
I don't know.
clean, bro. It's so clean.
It's just like the perfect.
And give it a little juice here so you get some revs. Very loud with the windows open.
Yes.
Steering is a crazy feel. It's so darty, dude. The front end just like, no, I'm going that way.
Sounds so good too.
Yeah, it's got a very crispy, unique sound. It's like got that.
You said it's stock other than.
It's got a, I believe, just a muffler.
Wow.
And this has the Metzger fucking legendary Le Mans motor in it. Hans Metzger is a legendary Le Mans Porsche engine builder. Oh my God, dude. But it's sketchy, bro. Very sketchy to drive. Like this thing right now is like,
Yeah.
feel that?
Yup. Kinda in your ass.
Remember, no traction control.
No ABS.
No. I'm like working this, like you have to be able to feel not only the steering, because most cars, hold on, let me. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, this is not an easy car to drive fast whatsoever. I feel like I'm on a f***ing dirt bike right now. And the way it builds the power. The 125.
Wow.
Crazy, right?
Trying not to get in the shot. I had to hold on to that.
I saw you. But like you see the way it like, it's like just like, oh, hang on. Oh my God, f***ing glorious.
So good.
Oh, I can do this all day. It's very emotional to drive. Like I said, I could feel the motor on my foot. I could feel the steering rack in my hands. I could feel the rear tires on my ass. And the whole workaround is very, very, you know, it's intense, dude, because like there's a lot of times if you're not comfortable in feeling the road, that back there,
Oh yeah.
like you can not, I would say 1 out of 10 good drivers can do that
Yeah.
and feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Because that was like, dude, this car was all over the place, like, and not in a bad way.
No.
Just you have to drive it. You have to keep it where you want it, because there's a reason they call these cars Widowmakers, not these specifically, but like, you know, the older Porsches, and because they'll kill you real fast, dude.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say that this is gotta be in the top 5 cars I've ever driven.
Wow.
By far. Like easily. I don't know where I'm gonna stick it in top 5 just yet. I really have to think about it.
Yup.
But
Easily in it.
oh yeah, bro. Cause it's so fucking engaging, bro. You have to drive it.
Damn.
It's like riding dirt bikes in the woods, dude. You can't, like, if you let
Can't
off,
blink.
if you're trying to go fast in the woods and you
Think about something else.
Yeah, you're dead, dude.
Yeah.
You're dead. You know, like for instance, that McLaren yesterday, you put your foot down, you chuck it in the corner,
Yeah.
it goes around the corner.
Yeah.
This thing is like, you mother. Yeah. What a ride, dude.
Awesome. Let's get it cleaned up.
Hold on. Like, listen how epic this sounds when you just like give it the old Honda pump.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What a glorious drive. This thing is incredible. I saw you grabbing the handrail a couple times.
I did actually, and I don't usually do that.
No, usually cool, calm, collected. This was like, holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, it's not always wash and drive. It's wash, drive, compound, polish, ceramic coat, and drive and things. We're gonna do a full paint correction. As you can see, everything's taped up already, prepped, washed it, clayed it, throw all the good shit. Now it's in here. So what's next? Test spots, find out what we're doing. I wanna show you guys the defects. It's pretty bad. It is ceramic coated, so we have to grind it off and reapply it and basically make it look perfect. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. This is gonna take a couple days. It's got swirl marks, it's got hazing, it's got buffing trails, it's got washing marring, it's got everything. You see it?
Oh yeah.
Can you?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna get in the zone and put my headphones on, so enjoy, guys. I gotta do my thing. It's finished. Do it this car. How good does this car look?
Looks phenomenal.
Whole different car.
Looks so good.
Whole different car. Okay, you guys didn't see the ceramic coating. Austin was a little held up today doing his thing. He was working. I had a bit of work to do. I actually found like a bunch of spots and shit on the corners and fenders, so I had a lot more polishing to do.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I went over the car, took the light around the whole car, so I ended up doing more polish work, and then I said, let me just ceramic coat it, get it done so it can cure. So it's been sitting here for about, what, 7 hours now?
Yeah, wow.
So it is done. It looks
phenomenal.
Amazing. Van is gonna be so stoked. I'm sending him pictures and videos, but guys, it doesn't do justice. It's jet black, perfectly finished paint. Spent a ton of time in the interior. I mean, it didn't need much, but like getting the glass polished perfect because, you know, everybody wants, the views of the car, it just looks fucking good. That like everything needs to be perfect. Obviously, that's what we do. We're details. You got to pay attention to the details. It's a garage a mess. I can't wait to be out of here. Yeah, shop's coming, boys. It's being built. Coming. Yeah, look at the fender. There's no imperfection. It's perfect.
Nothing.
Yeah. I mean, you saw when I went to...
It was bad.
And you saw how much work we did. It was like compound, switch to this pad, this polish, this compound, this fucking pad. It was heavy duty stuff. Guys, you know the deal. Hit that subscribe button. Hook us up, dude. Hook us up.
Hook us up.
Yeah, hook us up. Guys, like, subscribe, notifications, the whole deal. We want the support. Many more videos to come. I mean, we're taking a Lamborghini Huracan Evo up to New York safety track tomorrow, which we will be beating the brakes off of.
Yes, sir.
I'm really excited about this. How excited are you?
Very excited.
Are you scared? No.
It's a track.
Yeah. Thank God. Thank God, bro. Finally.
Finally. No public roads.
Yeah.
I'm hyped.
Yeah. So that would be good. Finally, safely do what these cars are meant to, you know, on a track. Get to open them up, really use the brakes, really use, you know, whatever. That's tomorrow. But again, guys, more footage to come. There's so much. We're doing so much fun stuff. We're building out a shop as we speak. Fingers crossed, it should be good. Mid-October, we'll be in there. So we'll be out of this garage. I've been working in this garage for 8 years, you know. But we do what we got to do, you know?
Do what you got to do.
Do what you got to do. It's a slow grind. any of us, any of you fellow detailers know that this is not an easy business to be in, and you know, this is what we do, baby. So guys, catch us on the next one. Oh, and we're gonna bring it out now, and you guys are gonna get some real cinematics of what it looks like outside. We love you. See you on the next one.